In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find templates for CapCut PC. If you need to quickly track down the right pre-made video layout, intro animation, or text transition for your next project, CapCut on PC makes that process much easier than a lot of people expect. The key is knowing exactly where to look and how to narrow things down so you are not wasting time scrolling through content that does not match your style. CapCut has a large cloud-based library built directly into the app, and you can access it without leaving your project. To get started, move your mouse cursor to the top left area of the interface and look for the main options menu bar. From there, click once on the Templates tab. As soon as you do that, CapCut opens the main asset discovery window, which is where you can browse through its wider template collection. Once that window is open, the next goal is to cut through the clutter and focus on the kind of templates that actually fit your project. On the far left side of this panel, you will see a directory column with different folders and categories. Scroll down through that list, moving past the more trend-based or social media-focused sections until you reach a more professional category. A good example would be something like business or marketing. Click on one of those folders once and CapCut will instantly refresh the main area with a grid of cleaner, more structured graphic layouts. This is especially helpful if you are creating educational, promotional, or client-facing content and want a more polished visual style. If you want to get even more specific, use the search field at the top of the tray. Click directly into that search box and type a precise phrase that matches what you need, such as tutorial intro or minimal title. Then press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will search through its template library and filter the results into a much more focused grid of matching designs. That means instead of browsing endlessly, you can jump straight to options that are relevant and ready to use. At that point, you should be looking at a clean set of template results that are much easier to evaluate and choose from. Using the top left Templates tab, the directory filters on the left, and the keyword search box at the top, you can find useful CapCut templates in just a few clicks. And that is it. You are all set.